12-hour Manipur total shutdown called by Coordination Committee, CORCOM and other different militant groups from 6 am has affected normal life in Manipur. The shutdown is in condemnation of Manipur merger agreement. Maharaja Bodhachandra of Manipur was allegedly made to sign the merger agreement under duress at Shillong on October 15, 1949. No untoward incidents were reported during the strike. Continuing its drive against film piracy, the Mobile Film Distribution Centre MFDC today caught a man involved in pirating Manipuri films like Ima, Chanu IPS and Aise Nangi Nattabra. The drive was carried out under the supervision of Film Forum Manipur FFM. The man was identified as Mihajuddin alias Ajad Khan, aged 32 years, of Khergaon Makha Lekai under Porompat Police Station. In India, the COVID-19 total case tally stands at 73,07,098, including 8,12,390 active cases, while 63,83,442 cured, discharged or migrated cases and 1,11,266 have died of the disease so far. A media report said India registered a spike of 67,988 new COVID cases in the past 24 hours. The global tally of coronavirus cases stand at 3.87 crore. A combined team of Khongjom Police Station along with Thobal Commando launched a house-to-house search operation in and around Langatil area this morning. During the operation, 85 households were searched and 250 residents were verified. 3 individuals from Langatil Laikhom Bazaar were picked up in connection with manufacturing of illicit liquor. Some unidentified persons attacked BJP candidate G.S. Haupu and his workers last night at Lunmol village. G.S. Haupu is contesting the coming by-polls from Singhat Assembly constituency. Reportedly, 4 of his workers were injured in the incident. They were returning home after campaigning when the attack took place, a report said. An amount of rupees 400 crore for land compensation has been deposited with the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District and West Khasi Hills District, which will be paid to land owners who had parted their land for the Shillong-Tamabil road expansion. Chirang police arrested 4 drug peddlers and seized a consignment of drugs from their possession last evening. During the operation, Chirang police team also seized 1 Maruti Omni vehicle bearing registration number AS19A1554, reports said. During search, 3 persons suspected to be drug peddlers were apprehended by the team. The Assam and Mizoram governments have agreed to settle the current border dispute and stress interstate coordination to avert future standoff during district management level meeting held in view of the recent conflict triggered by the torching of a farmhouse allegedly by Assam officers on disputed areas claimed by both the states, a report said. Assam's Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has said the centre and the state governments are committed to implementing the BTR Accords signed on January 10 last. As per the report, the Chief Minister said reaching out to every indigenous tribal family to hear their grievances is the duty of every responsible worker of the BJP party. Facing attacks from opposition over the projection of International Monetary Fund IMF that Bangladesh is set to overtake India in terms of per capita income, the government said that India's gross domestic product GDP is 11 times that of Bangladesh in 2019. Playing down IMF projections, people in the know said that under the Modi government, the per capita GDP has increased from Rs 83,091 in 2014-2015 to Rs 108,620 in 2019-2020, representing an increase of 30.7% as per a media report.